Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss: laminate flooring. If you're considering giving your home a fresh look or simply want a durable and affordable flooring solution, you're in the right place. We'll cover all aspects of laminate flooring, including its features, benefits, types, and installation process, and even compare it with other popular flooring options. So, let's dive in. Laminate flooring is a synthetic flooring product designed to resemble the appearance of natural materials like wood or stone. It consists of multiple layers, each serving a specific purpose, resulting in a durable and cost-effective flooring solution. Laminate flooring is versatile, easy to maintain, and available in various styles and designs, making it a popular choice for homeowners seeking an affordable yet attractive flooring option for their homes. Now, let's look at some of the key features that make laminate flooring a top choice for homeowners. Versatility. Laminate flooring comes in a wide array of designs and styles, making it easy to find the perfect match for any interior decor. Durability. With its wear-resistant top layer, laminate flooring can withstand high-foot traffic, making it an excellent choice for busy households. Cost-effective. Compared to hardwood or stone flooring, laminate is a more budget-friendly option without compromising on aesthetics and durability. Easy maintenance. Laminate floors are a breeze to clean and maintain, thanks to their non-porous surface that repels stains and spills. Realistic appearance. The latest manufacturing technologies produce laminate floors that closely resemble the natural beauty of hardwood or stone, without the high cost. Allergy-friendly. Unlike carpets, laminate flooring doesn't trap dust, pollen, or pet dander, making it a healthier option for allergy sufferers. DIY-friendly. Many laminate flooring options come with an easy-to-install click-lock system, making it a great project for confident DIY enthusiasts. Laminate flooring offers various types, catering to different preferences and needs. Wood look laminate. Wood look laminate is an ideal choice if you desire the warmth and charm of hardwood floors without maintenance. Tile look laminate. For a sophisticated and modern appearance, tile look laminate offers the elegance of ceramic or stone tiles without the coldness. High gloss laminate. For a contemporary and reflective finish, high gloss laminate creates a polished and luxurious look. Now, let's see how easy it is to install laminate flooring. Preparation. Ensure your subfloor is clean, dry, and leveled before installing. Underlayment. Lay down an underlayment to provide cushioning and reduce noise. Click lock installation. With the click lock system, simply connect the laminate planks together like a puzzle, eliminating the need for glue. Cutting and finishing. Use a saw to cut planks to fit around corners or edges. Install baseboards or molding for a polished look. Now, let's compare laminate flooring with some other popular options. Laminate versus hardwood. Laminate is more budget-friendly, easier to install, and requires less maintenance, while hardwood provides a timeless, natural charm. Laminate versus vinyl. Laminate offers a more authentic look and feel, while vinyl is water-resistant and perfect for areas prone to moisture. Before we wrap up, let's highlight some compelling reasons to choose laminate flooring. Cost-effective. Laminate offers a high-end appearance without the hefty price tag of natural materials. Family-friendly. With its scratch-resistant surface, laminate flooring can handle kids, pets, and all the activities of a bustling household. Easy upgrades. If you're looking to revamp your home without a full renovation, laminate flooring is an excellent choice for an instant makeover. Laminate flooring is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a durable, budget-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing flooring solution. We hope you now have a better understanding of its features, benefits, installation process, and why it's a top flooring option for your home. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.